Hi everyone.
Today, we're exploring the all-new Pixel 9 Pro XL.
From its stunning design and upgraded cameras to powerful AI features, performance, display, and battery life, we've got everything you need to know.
So, let's jump right in and get started. So this is the box of Pixel 9 Pro XL.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
It slides out like this.
There we are.
Let's go ahead and open this up. This is the first time seeing it. So, in the box, we have the Pixel right here.
Then, we've got a little bit of paperwork. Let's remove that and pull this out. Nothing else in there.
We have a little support pamphlet with a warranty card and our SIM card ejector tool. It looks like that's all we get here.
Now, inside the box, we of course have the Pixel itself.
Behind it, we've got the charging cable USB-C to USB-C.
It's just your standard cable, not braided or anything like that. Now, let's open this up. Again, it's the first time seeing it, so it's got some placement indicators for the buttons and other features. Let's see how we can remove this. And here it is, the Pixel itself.
This definitely feels more premium than in previous years. We've got a fresh new look with thinner bezels and a slightly bigger screen that's also brighter. The new Tensor G4 chip powers it, paired with 16 GB of RAM.
The speakers are beefier, battery life is longer, and charging is faster too.
In the camera department, there's an improved ultra-wide lens with a wider aperture and a new selfie camera. The first thing you'll notice this year is the refreshed design.
Instead, the Pixel 9 Pro XL gives us completely flat edges with a glossy metal finish and a more stuck-on, rounded camera bump that's about half as thick as the phone itself. The camera setup is similar though. We've got the main, the ultra-wide, and the telephoto lenses. Surprisingly, the speakers are much better. They're louder, with less distortion at higher volumes.
We now have a new ultrasonic fingerprint reader instead of optical, which I've found to be quicker and more reliable. It comes with 6.8-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's also brighter.
Google says the peak brightness has increased from 2400 nits to 3000 nits. The full-screen HDR brightness has also gone up from 1600 to 2000 nits. It's not a night and day difference, but it does make it easier to use outside. Everything looks a bit punchier and more vibrant. They've also massively improved the viewing angles.
Unfortunately, 9 series have the same 240Hz PWM dimming. The soft spot of these Pixel phones has always been the processor. The Google Tensor, which is built on Samsung's Exynos architecture. Is the Tensor G4 any better this year? Well, Google says the G4 will make apps launch 177% faster and web browsing 20% faster. Still, the Tensor G4 is very much in the championship, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Apollo 17 Pro are in the Premier League. In fact, the Pixel still feels like one of the fastest and most responsive phones in everyday use, thanks to the stock Android 14 software. But at the same time, it feels just as fast as the Pixel 8 Pro, and it still struggles in high-end games.
For most games, you'll be absolutely fine, but I'd still say the Pixel 9 Pro is not a hardcore gamer's phone. But for everyone else, the benchmark scores don't really mean that much.
It is still incredibly fast and a joy to use, even though it's not significantly faster. The battery life has also been improved, with the Pixel 9 Pro XL now featuring a 5060 mAh battery. Google has also boosted the charging speeds, with the Pixel 9 Pro XL supporting 45W wired charging, 23W wireless charging, and 12W reverse wireless charging.